So hi everyone, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. I'm going to share yet another success story of my Super Baker program with all of you. So we have Soumya Rajiv here. Soumya came into our Super Baker community in August 2021. She was part of one of our most engaging baking program, which is home baking masterclass. And eventually she also joined Super Baker community where people take their baking skills to the next level. Soumya has consistently produced stunning cakes as part of the program, and she's now taking customized and theme-based cake orders from her home bakery. So, hi Soumya, and welcome to this Hall of Fame interview. Very well deserved. Heartiest congratulations. Every time you used to upload something in the group, my team used to go like, wow. Even I used to go like, wow. When Sindhu showed me your recent work, your order cakes, I was like, she has to be part of the Hall of Fame interview. So thank you so much. And so Soumya, tell us about yourself, like which city you are from and who all are there in your family. What, like, I know right now you are a cake designer, but what was your profession before joining us?
Yeah, hi Dipti ma'am. Firstly, I want to say a very big thanks to you because among so many people you have selected me for Hall of Fame interview. I never ever thought that I would be a part of Hall of Fame. I highly privileged for it, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
And come to my introduction, I'm Soumya Raji. I'm from basically from Bangalore, and I have done my bachelor's in art, and I got married to Rajiv. As of now, he is running a Janaushad Kendra, and I have a daughter. She is in 12th class now. She's studying in 12th class.
Okay.
Yeah, as a profession means like I have done my diploma in Montessori after my marriage. And I served as a teacher for 7 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and dealing with the kids is not too easy. It's the art of teaching. So all there, I also get appreciation for my creative works where I have done to the kids.
Okay.
I got a lot of appreciation there.
Amazing. So like you used to teach before. Are you teaching right now or?
Yeah, like that. Yeah, recently, like 2 years back, I quit the job because my daughter was in 10th that time.
Right.
So I need to take care of her. So I quit the job because of her.
Okay.
And recently, I have started my journey as a home baker.
Amazing. So you know what? This is another Soumya, and this is another teacher who has become a skilled and valued homemaker. Amazing. That's so lovely. So, how did you everybody is very much interested in baking, right, Soumya? So and people do join different classes. So before joining us, had you joined any other program, maybe hands-on class or something? Did you
no, ma'am, I have not yet. I have not joined to any class. Actually, before I have baked two to three cakes for my husband and my daughter's birthday.
Okay.
Came at okay, not up to the mark.
Okay.
So when I saw your 4-day workshop in WhatsApp group, I thought of why I can't give a try for it. Okay. So I can bake a nice yummy cake for them for the next coming birthday. Only keeping in that mind, I had joined the 4 days workshop.
Okay.
But after coming to that workshop, it was really amazing, ma'am. I impressed with the way you teach and everything is in detail.
Amazing. So then, how did you? Why did you join Super? I understand why you joined home baking masterclass, but then what made you join the Super Baker program as well? Like your intention to join home baking masterclass was just to bake a nice yummy cake for your husband and for your daughter. But then what made you join Super Baker program?
Yeah, as I told you earlier, like for 4 days, I thought of like that only. It means like for cooking, for baking them, I have to join for 4 days. But after joining for 4 days, it like really impressed me, your work and your everything is in detail, well structured. So that 4 days, I think it made a remarkable change in my life. I thought of why I can't take this as my profession.
Amazing.
Because after quitting my job, like for my daughter's education, so after she also scored a very good marks in 10th board and she joined a good college. And after a question came to my mind, like what next for me, what I have to do next. So I like think, okay, it's enough to work under some people. Now I have to do some independent. So it was going in my mind. So when I saw this and I joined the 4 days workshop, and there I thought of, oh yeah, I can take it as a profession. So
Very
like that, when I got the message from your team, like I didn't think twice. I decided to join and as my hubby also. So he's always supportive to me. So I tell, go ahead and do it. Whatever you want, you go do it.
amazing,
That's
amazing.
having in my life. So
Yeah,
like this, I joined the Super Duper.
correct. And then having supportive family is
Yeah,
extremely
really.
important, right? It is so important. Like, tell us your journey after coming into the community.
Yeah, it's really a wonderful journey, ma'am. I think God has rooted me to a correct person. Really, your
Thank you so
videos,
much. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
your videos and WhatsApp group and the mastermind session all were very well structured and well organized, ma'am. And
Thank,
really, I liked it very much.
thank you.
So
Thank
during these 3 months, I used to bake a cake like by seeing my videos and I used to distribute to my neighbors and my friends. I
you.
have
Yeah,
to give review, no, for the tasting. So they used
obviously.
to they are like shocked. Wow, in 3 months, like in short, during span, you have learned so yummy cakes. How it happened? They used to ask me like that. That credit goes to you.
No,
Yeah,
no. I mean,
and
you have, I have just shown you that path, but everything that had to be done was done and it was done very correctly. Hence, you are getting poured with a lot of orders, and I'm so happy about it. So, Soumya, like now, your daughter is in 12th and your husband is working. So, how do you achieve the balance between the cake thing and your regular life?
yeah, as I told you, know, my husband and my daughter, they both are like, I'm blessed to have it with them. They are too supportive to me. My daughter also, she's like, she done everything to me, like in all aspects after I joined for this baking class.
Amazing.
You believe or not, she used to guide me in everything. Before I'm posting that assignment and assessment to the group, I'll show to her. She will do the checking, like you have used all the techniques, why the ma'am has told the techniques you have used, or she used to check
Wow.
and one or two cakes she rejected also. And I redo it and I posted in the group. So like that, she's comfortable with me and my
Amazing.
husband also. So I don't have
Amazing.
like any issue in my family background. So I thought of
Great, great. My next question was, do you involve your daughter in baking or cake decoration? But you have already answered that. Like she was that master with the stick,
I really she used to
right?
suggest me like, hey, you know, it's not come smooth. You have to do it again. She used to judge me like she is the second
Amazing.
mentor to me. You are the first and she is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
second.
That's what I. That's what. So I'm so happy to have you and your daughter like that. Superb. So, Soumya, generally people are skeptical about joining the online classes, right? When you don't know the person, how can you join a particular online class? Like just watching the recorded videos and few live sessions, how one can become a skilled cake designer. So, what is your take on how we have designed the videos or our mastermind sessions, the live sessions that we conduct? How easy or how difficult was it for you to learn cake decoration in just a few months?
Yeah, it's really amazing, ma'am. Before when I joined into online class, it was there running in my mind. Like in online class, I can achieve the things, but it made false to me because your videos and that Facebook and that mastermind session, it was in detail. Whatever we ask the question, used to answer patiently. We really asked up to you that. So everything it was like well structured. So I think when I'm working with the cakes, I think I felt like you're in front of me by watching your videos and you're guiding me through your videos and guidelines.
Okay,
So
okay,
I felt like that you are in front of me. I never thought it is an online class. It was
okay.
like live session only for me. That all 3 months.
Thank you so much for that feedback. It really means a lot. Soumya, now that you have done so much, you have also opened your home bakery. What are those things? Are you doing some things differently which you never used to focus on? Like you have baked few cakes before, but you mentioned that the output was never used to be good, or they were not up to the mark. But right now your cakes are stunning. So what are you doing differently at this point of time, which where you can make that difference in your own work?
Yeah, before like after seeing some other YouTube and all, I used to bake like two times or three times I baked it. It didn't come much nice. So when I joined your course, like it was in everything is on in detail. I followed all the tips what you have giving in mastermind session also. Everything I used to watch videos two, three times and I used to do everything. Like in pin to pin, how we have told like that I used to do. So it
Okay.
really came out very well and everyone are appreciating me like it's really yummy. So like in my near my home Bakwala is there. They used to compare to that taste exact
Wow.
like Bakwala cake.
Wow, amazing.
So a very good feedback from my family and my neighbors. I got it.
Great, great. So like that Bakewala has got a competition right now. Amazing. That is so lovely. So, are you taking orders right now? Like I have seen few of your cake, the order cakes, and how many orders are you taking right now since you have started your official home bakery?
Yeah, ma'am. I like November 6th, I officially launched my Slices of Heaven. Till
What
now,
is the name of your home bakery?
yeah, Slices of Heaven.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Till now, I got like up to 10 orders. For next month, also already I have got for like one wedding cake for 8 kgs and for one birthday 5 kgs. Like all
Lovely.
customized only I'm getting. They used to see me
Lovely.
like, speak, Soumya, you do this and get me
Lovely.
the thing.
Lovely. I'm
So
so happy for you. I'm so happy.
I'm bit engaged in for the next month. I have engaged.
Amazing. 8 kgs and 5 kgs is like stunning, okay? And I'm sure,
Yes.
I'm 100% sure you will do an amazing job and I would love to see your work, okay? So when you execute it and when I'm sure you are going to get an amazing feedback, do share your work with us. We would love to see that.
Thank you so much. That happens only with your guidelines only. Without that, I can't.
I'm 100% sure you will do a good job.
Thank you, ma'am. And one more thing I want to tell, like we told offline and online classes, like my personal experience is like online classes are like books. We will we will read what is there in that book. But like offline classes are like books. We will read only what is there in that book. But your online classes are like library. We can read the same book with different authors. Because like in Facebook group, we have so many friends, their ideas, their design. Apart from course, also we can learn so many things.
Correct,
It is
correct.
not like stagnant. Oh, what is there in the course? Like 5 cakes or 10 cakes, you have to learn and you have to go. It's not like that. Apart from also, I learned so many things from my friends also.
Amazing, amazing,
Amazing.
amazing. So now that you have like now that you have your own home bakery, what have you planned for yourself? Have you planned anything for yourself, your vision or your goal? Where do you want to reach or something if you want to share?
My vision is like I have to fulfill my customer with the best quality of cake.
Lovely,
I have
lovely.
to fulfill their eyes means like with the design, and I have to fulfill the taste bud, the taste, and more Ali means like importantly I have to be a succeed woman entrepreneur.
Superb, superb, which you already are. But yes, in coming years, I'm 100% sure you will be that successful entrepreneur. So all the best to you there. And now that you have been consistently taking orders and huge orders, to be very precise, do you really think that you have got return on investment that you did in
Yeah,
Super Baker program?
yeah, ma'am, yeah, ma'am. It happened only because of Super Baker. I'm telling you, it happened only because of that class.
And Soumya, like you already shared it, but I would like to know about it in detail. Like you are part of the Super Baker community where you get to interact with other community members. So how it has helped you grow professionally and personally in last few months?
Yeah, ma'am. Like professional, I have told you, everyone started appreciating me for my work. Everyone are recognizing me like, oh, so creative you are. Oh, what amazing cakes you are making with the tasty. So like that, everyone are pushing me and they're motivating me also. Yeah, you can achieve things. You can grow up still more. You have to keep a high vision. So like that.
That's what happens when you are part of people who have common goal, right? It brings out the best in people. So you should
Yeah,
always
ma'am. My
be part.
parents and my sister and my cousins who was they are motivated me a lot. So
Amazing.
I think without motivation we can't achieve things in my life.
Correct. Correct. 100% true. That is 100% true. So now what people are talking about you, your family, your friends, your immediate families, your daughter and your husband, but extended family or your friends or your clients, what are they talking about you?
Yeah, I felt happy, ma'am. Amazing. They're saying, well, they're saying like you're great. You're doing a great job. Everyone are happy with that.
Right. So you are getting consistently good reviews for your work, right?
Yeah.
Amazing.
I'm getting
Amazing.
consistent.
So, and you rightly said that when you follow a systematic approach, when you are organized, things start falling in place and you achieve things faster in life. So, amazing, Soumya. Heartiest congratulations to you again. And all of you who are watching Soumya's interview, I have pasted her link to her social media pages in the description box. So if you want to see Soumya's work or if you want to order cakes from her, do check out her Instagram account, okay, where you will see her stunning cakes and you will also get to see what her clients are saying about her. And if you want to buy my course, the link is also provided in the description box. We have a community of beginner and intermediate bakers who are getting transformed into their baking journey day by day. So if you know someone from your family who wants to get into baking or who wants to start their baking journey on a positive note, do share the link with them. And Soumya, thank you so much for sharing your journey with us. It was inspirational. And keep baking and keep spreading a lot of happiness and keep growing as a wonderful baker in coming few
Thank you
months.
so much,
So
ma'am.
God bless you.
Thank
And
you so much.
any few more thoughts if you want to share, you can go ahead.
Yeah, that's it, ma'am. A big thanks to you and your team, ma'am, and my family support you.
Amazing, amazing. So again, all the best, Soumya, and do well. We will keep watching your work. Do share your pics. I would love to see the wedding cake that you are going to do.
Sure.
And so, guys, if you have liked Soumya's journey, do like this interview, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube baking channel so that you get to know more such success stories. Thank you so much, Soumya, and all the best.